Recent events and trends on the social media have prompted the need to understand the true meaning of rape and its constitutional implications, as well as the difference between consent and the use of force. TVC News judiciary correspondent Celestina Iria spoke to lawyers to give a clear understanding of what constitutes rape in the society.
The issue of rape has now been put on the front burner in Nigeria as victims have been able to speak out and muster courage to call out the names of persons who allegedly carried out these crimes. I am here at the Federal High Court in Abuja. We'll be talking to lawyers who will help us understand how easy or difficult it is to prove a rape case in court, and also the punishment spelled out for someone who is guilty of rape.
If it is reported almost immediately, the state in which you find the lady could lay credence to the fact that she has just been raped. Again, if there's also a medical report that shows laceration, bruises all over the body, it can also support the evidence that a lady has been raped. So I believe it's more of evidentiary than anything else.
The reason why it's difficult is because the accused person, who is also under oath, may also come out and say, no, it was actually consensual. So it's almost a 50-50. He said, she said. So what the court does usually is to look for corroborating evidence. That is, are there other people who can say that they heard what had happened? But that's circumstantial.
Yeah, that would be hearsay evidence. It's not visible.
Right, exactly. So that's why it's difficult, because you can't just rely on the evidence of one person.
Honorably to be sentenced to prison for no fewer than 14 years or life imprisonment, as the case may be. It depends on the nature of the proof of that offense.
The senior pastor of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, COZA, was accused of rape by one Busola Dakolo, wife of the Nigerian popular singer Timi Dakolo. Pastor Abiodun had taken to his Instagram to defend himself, saying he has never raped anybody in his life. Concerned citizens in Abuja had besieged the streets leading to the headquarters of the Commonwealth of Zion Assembly, COZA, to express their displeasure over the alleged rape of Busola Dakolo. A lawyer and former Minister of Aviation, Femi Fani-Kayode, said that citizens should not be judgmental and allow the law to prevail, as Mr. Fatoyinbo had said he will be going to court to challenge the allegations.
I'm always very cautious about convicting people based on one side of the story. I think this matter, for all of us, it's better if it actually ends up in court in a civil matter, and I sincerely hope that Pastor Abiodun will do what he said he will do, which is to take the matter to court. Then we can look at the facts and explore what the facts are.
Pastor Abiodun Fatoyinbo has once again taken to his Instagram page to announce that he is taking a leave from the pulpit following the said allegations, to allow proper investigation by the church authority. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.